Well, hey! It's right there! They're right here, look at him! Look! Hey! Hi! Look, Juanita! Look! They're right here!
That was awesome. Heidi ho, peoples. We're back at the boat. We thought we'd come to the boat for a couple of days and try out the anchor. And we're going into the Atlantic. Yay! So, we decided to pull the anchor out of the anchor locker. I think that's the right name. Oh, out of the anchor locker. So that's it there. It's dirty. Then we have that down there, which is gross.
Yeah, this is kind of dirty. So we're gonna clean it all out and then paint our anchor chain and rope.
Yep. And I am sure the sailors that might be watching our channel are going, why in the world are they going to clean it? That's just us. We'll clean it and see how dirty it gets again.
Clean bilge, good boat. Clean anchor locker, good boat.
Okay, she's on a mission. Mike needs something to scoop the crap out of that thing and to scrub it. So resourceful Juanita has an idea. We have a little thing down here used for sweeping the floor that has a little scoop to it. So I'm going to see if he can use that to scoop the crapola out of there. And then we'll see if we can find a scrub brush. So I think it's here in the little thingy-mabobber. Yep. Okay. Yes, Juanita uses most things that people don't think of, but that's okay. Mike likes that about me. So you see, this will turn into a little bucket, and then he can scoop it out of there. Then I just gotta find him something to brush it down with. So I'll let you know how it turns out. Huh? Okay. Guess I'm sweating. Well, we filled that thing up with water, and of course that hole right there is where it drains. And of course all of that stuff has clogged that hole. So now we got to figure out how to unclog it, because Mike's arms are not long enough to go down in the anchor thingy.
Need that over there.
That could be a problem. So I'll have to undo the back lines and all of that. So, but we do have a, as Mike says, a rockna anchor. I guess that's a good anchor. I don't know. Hey, if it stops the boat, it's a good anchor. I apologize. I apologize to any sailors, but as long as it stops us and we don't go dragging, it's a good anchor. So, well, let's see if we can figure out how to unclog that hole, and we'll be back with you. Okay, we had to maneuver the boat because we had to put the hose in the hole on the outside. That was doing it.
That's much better getting on and off the boat right here.
That's where a boot wanted to get on and off the boat at.
You want your steps?
Nope. You want to hold the GoPro?
I will hold the GoPro.
Okay, I like to hold on to these needle ones. This needs to get tightened. Voila.
Okay. All
Yes, and it drained. There is a drain down there, we realized.
Yep. I thought there was.
Yep.
But very good now.
So now we're gonna
Do the anchor thing.
do the anchor, and we're gonna paint it every 25 feet.
Yes.
1 line for 25, 2 lines for 50,
Something like that.
3 lines for
We're gonna
75.
paint it.
We're gonna paint it.
We don't know what we're gonna do.
We're gonna do something with it.
But we think 25 feet each.
Would be good.
So everybody marks them that I see at 10 meters. 10 meters is about 30 feet. So 25 feet, we'd be all good.
It's easier math. 25, 50, 75, 100.
There we go.
30, 60, 90, 120, 150.
Yeah.
It takes a little bit more thinking.
We good. You ready?
Ready,
We'll
man.
lay out the anchor and the anchor rope and we'll do it. Okay? Oh, we need to tape measure.
Oh, son of a bean sheets. Okay, we're measuring out the anchor. We figured this was the easiest way to do it. As we said earlier, we're doing it in 25 feet increments. So that's what we're doing, and then we're going to paint the ends here because this is at 25 feet. Yep. This way we know we're at 25 feet with the chain and the rope. And of course the rope's gonna, well, that's okay because it's got to tie off. So, and go into there. So
Yep.
That's perfect. We did good. Yay!
We did good.
Yeah. Although Mike did squirt the rope off with water. So we can't quite paint it yet. It's got to dry.
I think it.
But I don't think it's going to take very long.
To try.
So, but we'll let you see what it looks like when we're done. Okay. Hey guys again. Well, we're down here in the boat, getting ready to find the other anchor because we decided, well, Juanita kept reminding Mike that the anchor that we have out there, the
Rockna.
Rockna will not fit. I had too much caffeine.
Shall we cut that part out?
Oh my goodness. It will not fit on the holder for the anchor out front. He kept forgetting about that. So even though we measured it all out, now we have to go find our other one. And this was what happens to the sailboat when you go to try to find something. We have our other anchor up there.
It's under here.
Under there in that lazarette.
Yeah.
So all of this stuff has to come out, and this was in that bedroom right there. So
I'm still removing.
yeah, and he's still moving stuff out. So we will let you know what it looks like when we get the other one out.
It'll all be clean in here.
It will be clean. We'll talk with y'all later. Okay, so we got all the stuff out of here. So
We're putting this anchor up. Look
Yeah,
at this.
look.
Where does this happen at?
they already got the thingies on there. They have it every how many feet?
Every, I don't know, 10 feet? There's
30, 70. Oh, please tell me it's not odd numbers.
This one says 150.
It's all odd numbers. Oh, I'm screwed.
This one says 90.
Yep. 30, well, what doesn't make sense?
There's
30
a-
to 70.
I don't know. I'm just.
Well, you know what? That's okay. It's already done. We'll figure it out. But that's awesome.
Yeah.
That it's already. How'd they do that?
I don't know. It looks like you can buy it this way and you stick it through the rope.
Whoa.
I've never seen that. That's cool.
Awesome.
I like.
Me too.
That makes it easier.
Sure does. Okay. So, Juanita was very smart when we put this up. We put the anchor I told him to put the anchor all the way at the front, and then in this one here is where we have the extra sails at. So Juanita is the smart one here. Isn't that right?
Absolutely.
Yes, Juanita's had way too much caffeine. I'm feeling much better now that I'm cooled off. It's hot outside.
That's good.
Okay, so let's get this pulled out.
All right.
Oh, you missed it. Mike was down in the hole. So we got the new one on right there.
Yep.
So now we're gonna put it in and see how she does.
Okay.
But look how nice and pretty that is.
A lot cleaner.
Yes, she pees now.
Yes, it does.
So awesome.
All right. We got our anchor up in the locker correctly and pinned off. And now all I got to do is put the old one away. One down, one to go. It's really warm out here today. What?
Said, hey peeps, it's hot. Juanita had
Yep.
another brilliant idea. Our Rockna has been put away.
Do you hear her?
It's been put to bed. It's sleeping with the fishies.
No, it ain't sleeping with the fishies.
Well,
It's sleeping with the spare sails.
I was getting ready to put it with the fishies. We were gonna Rockna it right over the side of the boat. But we got it in there.
It's in there, all put away.
Yep.
Now we just gotta wipe this down. But we
Did it.
are a little warm.
Just a little warm. Got a little hot outside. Lifting all these chains. But we did it. We got it.
Yes, we did.
And again, my idea, unfortunately you guys didn't see it, but we have a
Rug
A
way over there.
so we put Rockna on it with all the chains, and then we just slid it. And then we lifted it up and put it right up here. Great idea.
Yes.
You're welcome.
She's brilliant.
Brilliant, brilliant, I tell you, brilliant. And now, time to clean.